Hello guys and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin app. And before we start, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, and if that is done, let's continue this video. Okay, first thing that we need to do is of course open the app. Okay, when we are in the app, as you can see, I have a balance of 2 Sweatcoins. And how can I, by the way, you are walking, you earn the balance by walking. Okay, how can I withdraw this money? Actually, I can't withdraw it straight to cash, but there is a few ways that you can convert it to cash later. Okay, the first one is, of course, buying some physical products in the app, like, let's say, these earphones, and then later reselling it. The second thing that we can do with this app is get some really good discounts. With this app, we can also buy subscriptions for some mainstream channels. Another good thing that we can do is donate to charity. As you can see, this family right here needs help, and we can help them. Yeah, that is a really good feature that we have here, and that will be all. As I said, you can't withdraw it straight to cash, but there is some really good things that you can do with this app. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm sorry, maybe watch some other one. And until next one, I wish you all the best. Bye.